hindi kanya magugustuhan. That's the hard truth. Because female nature, okay? Female nature, yung programming nila, requires a man to maintain psychological leverage and perceived superiority in a relationship. Kailangan makita kanya as someone that above her. Okay? Na mas superior kaysa sa kanya. So, kung gusto mo makatanggap ng true love, ng admiration, at respeto ng babae, you need to frame yourself as someone na mas higher value sa kanya, na mas mataas sa kanya kasi hindi siya may intimidate sa iyo kung para kang alipin. Okay? Na mas mababa ka kaysa sa kanya. Okay? Hindi kanya irerespeto kung nakikita kanya as someone who is below her. So, one of the things na pwede mong gawin is to make her feel that she is not good enough for you. Okay? Yun yung isa sa pwede mong gawin in order for you to signal that you are above her. Na kailangan mapa-feel mo sa kanya na hindi siya good enough para sa'yo. So, hindi mo magagawa yon if you are giving her your full approval, certainty, at validation. So, kung yun yung ginagawa mo, malamang sa malamang, hindi ka niya makikita as someone above her. Kasi para kang alipin, binibigyan mo siya ng full attention, full validation, and certainty na gustong-gusto mo siya. So, kasi kapag binigay mo yung full certainty or yung full approval mo sa babae, hindi na siya mai-intimidate sa'yo kasi mafe-feel niya na siya na yung may leverage sa relationship nyo. Kaya ang gagawin niya, patatagalin niya yung panliligaw mo. Okay, patatagalin niya yung panliligaw mo.